Un giorno ci incontriamo tutti, no?
Paolo la stappavamo.
Sì, non legge molto, ma
Già mi conosci.
Sì, ma comunque I was told to be on my best behavior.
We're just gonna start visit the winery this way.
Those stories last night though. I was sleeping when I
You didn't tell that. No, I didn't. You didn't. Did you tell that story last night?
I just thought
Save
about
it. Save it.
That was hilarious.
I won't break. I won't break
old school. Yeah, very beautiful.
Grazie.
That's it. No.
Every day, based on family, 10 generation family.
No, no.
Milo 316. And it's natural, there's no air conditioning. There's essentially the fact that we're below ground, there's also a cistern, like a moat, of rainwater that insulates. It's the 1700s in Chile. Still working.
Your natural air conditioning.
Yes. What you see here is more or less the 30%.
Go ahead, a couple bottles.
This book is split into memory.
Let's see the beautiful landscape. Come with me, Gianca. Ciao, dear Sicily lovers. Vineyards everywhere.
About our wine, we are one of the oldest.
Mettiamoci lì.
Dove?
Sì, al buio.
Tell me where.
Okay.
I have to go.
Okay, don't move. Don't move.
Here.
Okay.
Come with me, Gianca, and let's say something about this beautiful place. We are in a beautiful winery on the slopes of Mount Etna, the highest active volcano in Europe. And since the soil is very good for the wine, this is the right place to enjoy the Etna wine. And if you are a wine lover, this is your place.
Hello everyone, good morning. So Rosella was right, this is a must-see location for all wine enthusiasts. We are on the slopes of Mount Etna, the highest volcano in Europe, and Mount Etna offers a lot of possibilities, not only on the highest altitudes, but also on the slopes of volcano. The foot of the volcano is covered by beautiful wineries, and we are in area of Milo, so in the south side of the volcano. We face the Ionian Sea and the area of Catania. So I wanna switch again because I would like to show you the landscape. So that is the Ionian Sea. Catania is over there, more or less. The second largest town in Sicily. And this is one of the most beautiful wineries that we have in Sicily. It's a usual location during our tours of Sicily.
Yeah.
We don't matter. We don't mind if you are wine experts or just wine enthusiast. This is a beautiful location where you can enjoy a great meal.
Yeah.
In your venture to Mount Etna.
Paired with 5 different wines.
Yeah, we had our group of Canadians already had a great, terrific meal. They paired 4 courses with 5 excellent, refined Etna wines, and now they are visiting the cellar, the winery with the old barrique cellars. Did you realize that some barrels are huge?
Yeah.
They age the Etna wine. And now, after this visit, we will enjoy one of the funniest walks in the slopes of Mount Etna.
Very easy.
We are moving to, sorry Rosella, we are moving not to the top. The top could be a little bit difficult for the majority of our clients. I mean the easy excursion to the Silvestri craters. We will be at 6,000 feet, about 2,000 meters above sea level, and it's one of the easiest excursion that we will have in this beautiful volcano. So you had the opportunity to walk along some extinguished craters. They are not functioning anymore, so you can be safe. You have the opportunity to walk on the edge of the volcano, of the crater, and it's very, very easy. So you don't need to be sporty, you don't need to do a very difficult hiking.
No?
So Mount Etna for us, for Gianca and Rosella, in our style, in our tours, is a perfect combination of wines, excellent food, and great landscapes. And you don't need to hike, so
No.
don't worry. And we are always distant, very distant from the top craters. Now Mount Etna is erupting right now. We can see the smoke from the distance, very in the distance, but we will be safe, always safe, because we are talking about one of the most one of the biggest, not only one of the highest volcano in the world, but also one of the biggest. So
Yeah.
the distance between the place where we are now, or between the place we are visiting to, and the top crater is huge, and so you can have a very safe excursion.
And after Etna, we will reach the jewel of Sicily,
Yeah.
Taormina.
Yeah, this is our next step.
We have a wonderful hotel just in front of Isola Bella, the most beautiful beaches of Taormina.
So we are at the end of the tour. So we are just staying for the last 2 overnights in the beautiful jewel of Sicily in Taormina. Taormina will be the home base for the next night, for the next day, 2 days. And then our friends will fly back to Canada.
Yeah.
I'm sorry for them.
Toronto.
To Toronto.
Yeah.
But we were expecting some more friends in the next days, and so we will.
Many individuals, many private tours, and of course our Sicily Lovers tour.
Yeah. We're expecting the laters, the streetman. We are still touring with the beautiful couple from Singapore, and finally on June 4th. The Sicily Lovers tour will begin. So it's we are impatient to see some people who follow us on Facebook who know for a long time Rosella and I. So
Yeah.
it's
It will be very fun. And if you want to visit Sicily with us, you can take a look at our website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com, and book your trip to Sicily. We will wait for you.
And I would like to say something because I don't know, guys. Perhaps our English is bad. Perhaps our communication is not the best. But we are wondering why some people didn't understand yet what we do. Guys, we own a tour company. We provide tours of Sicily.
Custom private tours of Sicily. And once a year we provide a small group tour named Sicily Lovers Tour. That is our ideal tour of Sicily.
So you have two possibilities. If you want to explore Sicily with us, you can ask us to provide a tailored experience, and we will put together the most memorable tour of Sicily according to your needs and passions. Or if you want to join a group tour of Sicily, in that case it's not a private tour, it's a group tour.
But with beautiful Sicily lovers.
You can enjoy the tour of June. Now the tour is sold out, so we mean the next tour, the next edition in 2023. So please don't ask again. Oh, guys, could you provide a tour of Sicily? Yes, of course. We do this in our this is our business. Sorry.
And in both cases, the website is the same: bestthingstodoinsicily.com.
So it's a beautiful, beautiful location. I'm amazed, Rosella, about this beautiful landscape. So I know some people already know Mount Etna, but if you follow our expertise, we can only recommend you which are the best locations in this place to enjoy a great combination between food, wine, great landscapes. So I want to show you again this beautiful area. We are in the south side of the volcano, facing the Ionian Sea and the coast between Catania, Acireale, Giarre. It's so beautiful. Let's go this way.
All that stuff. And the Aztecs, and even the Incas in Peru, and like everything.
I would like to visit Peru, Machu Picchu.
I want to go to Mexico. I want to go to Chile. Is it dessert time?
I would like to show the Mount Etna, Rosella. Come with me, because we didn't show anything at all so far.
Oh my God! It's like, yeah. When it's coming up your ass, like it's moving real quick.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
This is the majesty, the mountain, Ida, a montagna, un mungibeddo in Sicilian. Mount Etna. Can you see the smoke? So
It means it's active.
it's active, it's working right now.
Yeah.
Can you see, guys? And so now we are moving toward Mount Etna. We will approach the Silvestri craters. They are at 6,000 feet above sea level. Rosella
What do you
can wait to walk on the edge of the extinguished crater.
Yeah, it's very safe, so don't worry.
In particular, if you add some refined wine, that's the best experience ever.
You can walk easily.
Easily. So,
Guys, we love you. It's time to go, but we can wait to argue in person during your next tour of Sicily.
would you like to show the bus?
The bus? Yeah, let's
Guys,
go.
we have a beautiful bus.
Let's
This
go.
time we choose the best for our clients. I
Yeah,
think
let's go.
it worth displaying the bus.
Siamo in diretta, Gianfranco. Saluta. Our driver.
Ciao Gianfranco!
Facciamo vedere il bus.
Dobbiamo farlo vedere questo bus. This is a beautiful luxury 35-seat bus. Look at that. We have leather seats. This is the best part of the bus. You can play cards, you can relax.
Yeah.
And
Also
if you-
the seats, as you can see, are very comfortable because there is enough space between one seat and the other one.
Oh, look at the lights on the roof. So nice.
They are coming, so we have to say bye-bye, Gianca.
They are coming. They are
Yeah,
coming.
this way, Gianca, this way.
Okay.
Come with me.
So, it's time to go. Abbiamo salutato Alfonso o no?
No, stiamo andando. Let's say bye-bye to our friends. So, see you
Guys,
tomorrow from
this is-
Taormina.
Just let me say that we always provide you with the best experiences and the best quality in terms of local guides, meals, and transportation. This is a high quality transportation, and just because we want you to have the best experience also during the trip.
Guys, we love you. Love.
Isabella, che stai facendo? Are you filming us?
Faccio un reportage.
She's the best nature guide we have in Sicily. Isabella, a beautiful lady.
A beautiful lady.
She's Sicilian, even if she has blonde hair and blue eyes. She's 100% Sicilian. Vi aspettiamo i nostri amici. Vieni con noi, salutiamo insieme.
All together.
All together.
Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily.
Ciao.
Ciao.